Day 6. Writing your own affirmations, tips and tricks. Positive affirmations have been used for centuries to help people improve their lives and increase their overall happiness. Writing your own affirmations can be an empowering and effective method of self-improvement. When you take the time to craft your own affirmations, you create a personal and meaningful practice that can be used to boost your confidence, quiet your inner critic, and manifest your dreams. However, there are many things to consider when writing your own affirmations. In this today's video, we will discuss some tips and tricks for writing effective affirmations. We will explore how to choose the best words, structure your affirmations, and make the most of this powerful practice. By the end, you will have the necessary tools to begin crafting your own affirmations today. 1. Start by getting clear on your goals and values. Writing your own affirmations is a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals and stay true to your values. Before you start creating affirmations, it's important to identify these goals and values. Take some time to think about what you want to accomplish and what your core beliefs are. This will help you craft affirmations that are tailored to your specific needs and help keep you on track. Once you have a clear understanding of what you want and why, writing your own affirmations will become easier. 2. Make affirmations realistic and achievable. When writing your own affirmations, it is important to make sure they are realistic and achievable. Making goals that are too ambitious may cause you to become discouraged and frustrated when you do not meet them. Instead, make sure that the affirmations are within reason and that you can actually accomplish them. For example, instead of affirming "I will become a millionaire by the end of the year," you may want to affirm "I will save $50 a month for the next year." This affirmation is more realistic and achievable, so you are more likely to actually reach the goal. 3. Keep your affirmations short, simple and specific. When writing your own affirmations, it is important to keep them succinct and straightforward. Long, winding sentences take away from the effectiveness of your affirmation. In addition, being too vague or broad can lead to confusion and diminish the power of the statement. Make sure your affirmations are specific and provide clear direction. For example, a statement such as "I am confident in my abilities" is too general and could potentially be interpreted in many different ways. Instead, try something like "I am confident in my ability to deliver a successful presentation." By being short, simple, and specific, your affirmations will be more effective and easier to remember. 4. Speak positively and use the present tense. When writing your own affirmations, you should always speak positively and use the present tense. Our subconscious minds can be very powerful and will believe what we tell them. By speaking in the present tense, we tell our minds that this is already our reality, encouraging them to take the necessary actions to bring us closer to achieving our goals. Negative phrasing can be harmful and can lead to the creation of false beliefs, so speaking positively and in the present tense will ensure you get the most out of your affirmations. 5. Include vivid imagery to make your affirmations more powerful. Adding vivid imagery to your affirmations can help to make them more powerful. Imagery can help you to visualize what you are affirming, making it easier to align with your goal or desire. Visualize the outcome you want to bring into your life and imagine the feelings that come with that outcome. This will help to make the affirmations more meaningful and make them easier to remember. Furthermore, vivid imagery can make affirming easier, as it helps to bring the desired outcome to life. 6. Use affirmations that are personally meaningful. Affirmations can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your goals. When writing your own affirmations, it's important to make sure they have personal meaning to you. This will ensure that they will be more effective in helping you reach your goals. To make sure your affirmations are personally meaningful, think of a goal that is important to you and phrase it as a positive statement. Then, Repeat it to yourself regularly. This will help you internalize the statement and make it more effective. Additionally, you can tailor the affirmation to fit your personal needs, such as by including the name of a person or place that inspires you. By doing this, your affirmation will be more meaningful and powerful. 7. Use affirmations multiple times a day. Affirmations are an important tool to help you achieve your desired goals and create a positive mindset. To maximize the effectiveness of affirmations, it is important to repeat them multiple times a day. You can do this by creating a daily affirmation ritual, such as writing down your affirmations and repeating them aloud every morning or before bed. Additionally, you can set reminders on your phone or computer to remind yourself throughout the day to pause and repeat your affirmations. This will help you to internalize them and make them a part of your daily routine. 8. Believe in yourself and your affirmations. Believe in the power of affirmations and their ability to improve your life. It is essential to believe in the words you are speaking in order to make them effective. Believing in yourself and your affirmations starts with understanding their power and potential. It is important to maintain a positive mindset when speaking your affirmations and to be mindful of the words you use. This can help to ensure your affirmations are working to improve your life in the way you intend. Additionally, believing in yourself and your affirmations helps to motivate and inspire you, so you can continue to make positive changes in your life. 9. Start with I or my. Start with I or my statements when writing your affirmations. This helps to create a personal connection with the phrase and makes it more real to you. When writing affirmations, use positive language. Choose words that are empowering and uplifting. Make sure that your affirmations are specific and achievable. The more detailed and realistic your affirmations are, the easier it will be for you to take action on them. Finally, ensure that the affirmations are in the present tense. Writing the affirmations in the present tense helps to create an attitude of success and will make them more effective. 10. Don't define how things will show up. Just as described above, affirming you will find love, for example, doesn't mean that the love of your life is going to show up on your doorstep tomorrow. Affirmations are about being open to the possibilities, not necessarily specifying how and when your desires manifest. Instead, focus on the feeling or the emotion that comes with achieving your goal, such as feeling worthy and content. This will help you to stay positive and open to the possibilities that come your way. 11. Focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. Many times when people are writing their own affirmations, they can focus too much on what they don't want. This can lead to negative affirmations, which can have a negative effect on your life. Instead of focusing on what you don't want, focus on what you do want and frame your affirmations in a positive light. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be anxious," you could say, "I am filled with peace and calm." 12. Include positive emotions in your affirmations. Positive emotions, such as love, joy, contentment, excitement, and enthusiasm, can help to reinforce and strengthen your affirmations. Try to include these in your affirmations as much as possible. For example, instead of a simple statement such as "I am successful," try something like "I am joyfully successful." This way, not only are you affirming your success, but you are also reinforcing it with a positive emotion. 13. Replace negative thoughts with your affirmations. Whenever a negative thought comes into your mind, replace it with your affirmations. This can be difficult at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. You can also try to use the mantra "This thought doesn't serve me" to help you recognize and dismiss thoughts that don't align with your affirmations. Finally, Don't be too hard on yourself if you can't seem to stick to your affirmations. Remember, you are only human and it is natural to struggle with self-doubt and negative thinking. Just keep practicing and be patient with yourself. Writing your own affirmations can be a powerful way to positively shape your life and mindset. It can be helpful to make a list of areas in your life that you want to focus on and to come up with affirmations for each of these areas. You may also want to read affirmations that others have written to inspire your own affirmations. It can also be helpful to repeat your affirmations throughout the day, both aloud and silently, to help you focus on and believe in the positive changes you wish to create in your life. Thank you for joining today's video. Don't forget to follow 30 Days of Affirmation videos the next day. Stay positive and believe in yourself.